Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V7 is dying within just 5 minutes of use, you're not alone. This is a common problem that usually indicates a failing battery. If left unresolved, it can lead to more serious issues that may require costly repairs or even a replacement. Fortunately, today we'll show you how to replace the battery yourself and restore your vacuum to its full potential. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Dyson V7. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V7 is switched off and unplugged. To open the device safely, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle away from the body of the vacuum. Take care not to force it, as there may be clips holding it in place. Now, you should see the battery compartment. The failing component, in this case, is the battery itself. It's usually located at the bottom of the compartment. To extract the old battery, disconnect the wires attached to it. There may be a clip holding the battery in place, so use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it out. Be cautious while doing this to avoid damaging any nearby components. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and position it in the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and reconnect the wires securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the handle by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you initially removed. Tighten them just enough to hold everything in place, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, plug in your Dyson V7 and switch it on to check if it operates smoothly. If everything works as expected, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean the vacuum's filters and avoid overcharging the battery. Additionally, store your Dyson in a cool, dry place to prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.